This is going to be the last in regards to the healer. And this one is when the healer is going up against or receive pushback from the guardian of the old story. When a healer begins uncovering the hidden chapters of a family story, something unusual often happens. Most relatives react with curiosity. Some respond with relief that the past is finally being discussed. But there is often one person whose reaction feels very different. They become uncomfortable when certain questions are asked. They change the subject when particular names appear, and they quietly discourage the search for answers. And at first, the healer may assume this reaction comes from pain, but over time, something else becomes visible. The person is not simply uncomfortable with the truth, they are trying to stop it from being uncovered. And every family develops a version of its own history. Stories are repeated at gatherings. Important events are remembered in particular ways, and certain moments become part of the family identity. But when a difficult chapter exists in the past, the story may be simplified. Painful details are softened. Some actions are left unexplained, and certain people are described differently than they were. And over time, that version of the story becomes the accepted narrative. The family grows accustomed to it. And anyone who questions it becomes or begins disrupting something that has been stable for years. Inside many families, there is someone who feels responsible for protecting the accepted version of the story, and this person may be an elder. They may be someone who lived through the events themselves, or they may simply be the relative who values order and reputation above all else. And so to them, reopening the past feels dangerous. They believe certain things are better left alone. So when the healer begins searching for the truth, this person quietly begins resisting the effort. See, the resistance rarely appears openly. Instead, it unfolds through subtle actions. Questions are answered vaguely. Important details are dismissed as misunderstandings. The healer is encouraged to focus on the present instead of the past. At first, the healer may represent, or I'll say they respect the reluctance. They respect the pushback. But the more they search, the more they realize something important is being avoided. And eventually a realization appears. Someone in a family has been guarding the old version of the story for years. The healer eventually faces a difficult decision. They can accept the narrative that has been repeated for generations, or they can continue searching for the truth behind it. Choosing the second path often creates the tension because uncovering the truth may reveal decisions that affect or affected the entire lineage. It may show that certain conflicts were misunderstood. It may reveal why the ancestor who tried to warn the family was ignored. And for the person guarding the old narrative, those discoveries feel threatening. And what the healer eventually understands is something unexpected. The person resisting the truth is not necessarily acting out of hostility. Often they believe they are protecting the family. They fear that reevaluating the past could reopen wounds of damaged relationships. So they try to prevent the healer from discovering the missing chapter. And in their mind, silence preserves peace. But silence also prevents restoration. Now, this is where the healer's role becomes clear. Restoration does not happen by protecting a comfortable version of the story, Restoration happens when the full story becomes visible. When the healer uncovers the truth, the family gains something it never had before: understanding. The past no longer controls the present through silence, and the lineage finally sees itself clearly. Once the hidden chapter is revealed, something surprising often happens. The tension that surrounded the story begins dissolving. Relatives who once avoided the topic begin discussing it openly. People who carry quiet confusion about the past finally understand what happened. Even the person who guarded the old narrative may eventually realize something important. The truth did not destroy the family story, it completed it. Every lineage carries two versions of its history: the story that was told and the story that was hidden. When the healer begins uncovering the hidden chapter, resistance often appears from the person who protected the old narrative. But once the full story becomes visible, the lineage gains something it lacked for generations: the ability to move forward without the weight of unfinished history. I'll close with this. Some families protect their history by repeating the same story for generations. But a few families eventually produce someone who asks a different question, such as, what really happened? And when the question is finally answered, the lineage discovers something that changes everything. The truth was never the enemy of the family, it was the missing piece the family allowed the story to be understood. Thank you for visiting my channel. This concludes my videos and episodes about lineage and the healer, to give the healers and the chosen overall, to provide them some type of context and explanation. So again, thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed, stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. And I'll see you on the next one.